The easiest AI side hustle 2023 for passive income. Hey there, welcome to Money Hub. I'm Sophia. Today, we're exploring how Etsy shops make a killing selling digital download patterns. I've seen shops making over $300,000. And another making over $900,000 selling simple digital products. It got me thinking about the AI pattern business is one of the easiest ways to make money online. In this video, I'll walk you through starting a similar business using AI. Step by step. You'll learn everything you need to set up this simple business for passive income online. Before we jump into today's exciting content, take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to receive notifications for all our newest videos. Your support helps us continue creating amazing content just for you. Let's check out what's already selling and how much money we could potentially make. A shop called Pixio sells digital seamless patterns and has made over $100,000. Another shop, Old Market, also sells digital patterns, raking in around $310,000. They mainly sell watercolor flower patterns, and people absolutely love them. One more store, Design Lover Studio, has made over $980,000. They sell seamless pattern products, and you can see that mainly are floral pattern. Remember, selling digital products means you'll keep about 90% of your gross revenue as profit after Etsy takes out fees and taxes. Now, the common products they sell in their store are seamless patterns digital downloads. That means this kind pattern digital products are crushing it in the market. You can see that this business model is incredibly easy. What you do is making this seamless pattern using text-to-image AI. Then sell them as digital download file on Etsy. If you'd like a video on how to list digital products on Etsy, just let me know in the comments. While many people choose Midjourney to create their product, it requires a monthly fee for commercial use. So today, I'll introduce you to a completely free text-to-image tool, Leonardo.ai. So let's learn how to create similar products you can sell on Etsy just like them, using Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is a fantastic tool that can seriously compete with Midjourney. It is free to use and you can use all the images you generate in this AI tool, for commercial purpose. No extra charge. So go ahead and try it out right now. Just click the link in the description to access Leonardo.ai, then click and enter your email. And hit, count me in. And join the Discord server. Once you acknowledge that Leonardo.ai is a separate web application, then click launch the app. You'll land on the homepage, where you can check out the featured models Leonardo.ai has been trained with. The user interface is way better than other tools, and it's much cleaner than Midjourney. Let me show you how to use Leonardo.ai to create the seamless pattern. Like this kind of images, they were all generated by Leonardo.ai, and they look amazing. When you rolls down the homepage, you can see there are some images are seamless pattern. You can find the one you like the most. Then click on that image. You'll see all the details, like the prompt used, dimension of the image, what model is using. I want to create similar seamless pattern like this, then I can click Remix. Then it takes me to AI generation tool page. You can see the prompt has been copied on the prompt bar. You can also change the prompt to what you want. I only want flower and rainbow, so let me delete tree. Also, you can change the model you used, like Leonardo Diffusion, RPG 4.0, Dreamshaper, Vintage Style Photography, and more. I keep to use Leonardo Diffusion model and just keep Leonardo style. I think the generated image looks better if keep this style. And you can add negative prompt, which means things the user wanted to exclude. But I won't add this time. Then change to 1024 by 1024 dimensions. And choose number of images to 4. You will have 150 tokens every day for the free plan. And this time uses 7 tokens. Click Generate. Let's see what it gives to us. Normally, the images generate quite fast, only few seconds. I think it is amazing. You can also comment below, tell me your experience on using these kind of text-to-image tools. Tell me which one you think the best. I am really happy to know what you think, or showing your AI art to me. Let us wait for a bit. This AI tool gives us 4 images. You can see that these images are amazing. And there's so much you can do with the generated images. You can downloading, unzooming, removing the background, or upscaling. I think this image is quite good. So I want to download it. And let me enlarge this image. You can see that the quality is very good. But still, I find some error in the image I want to fix. So I can use another function called AI Canvas to fix it. Choose the image I want to fix. Let me make it smaller first. And then choose Draw Mask button, so that you can draw the area you want to fix. After this, you can choose the Select button and move the selected square to the area you draw. Then you can add the prompt copied from previous image in the prompt bar. Then click Generate. The tools later will give you 4 options to choose. You can choose the one that most suitable to the image. And then click Accept. You can then fix and improve the image to what you want. After fixing the image, you can download it, and it will save as PNG file. After finished all the above work, you can then start to sell your image. The easiest way is to sell the file on Etsy as a digital download. Just make it look attractive in a listing, and people will want to buy it. But wait, there's more. You can make money from your patterns in other ways too. For example, you could use a platform like Printify to put your pattern on popular products. Or, you can kick off your side hustle for free on websites like Redbubble. Just upload your pattern, and it'll automatically apply to various products. This website gets millions of visits every month, and while there's competition, the print-on-demand model is almost entirely passive. You set the price, split the commission with the website, and upload your patterns to the platform. Redbubble takes care of marketing and customer service for you. This business could be the perfect way to start selling online. It's one of the simplest side hustles around. If you're enjoying this video and want more amazing content like this, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest uploads. Let's grow our community together, and I'll see you soon.